to my future play area for my kids. To keep the weeds under control underneath the mulch, we put down this weed barrier by GRASSCLUB. This stuff is super nice. I really like how heavy duty it is. I wanted to make sure that whatever we laid down would last a really long time and I wouldn't worry about it ripping or decomposing, and this stuff definitely fits the bill. I like how it's woven so that despite it being plastic, I know that when it rains, water will permeate through it and not form big puddles in their play area. And because it's woven, it also allows the stakes to go through it really easily, even on the places where I had it doubled over, where 3 different pieces met and I went through all 3 pieces. The stakes were able to go through all 3 layers really, really easily. It was super easy to lay down. It comes folded up, and because it's heavier duty, it's much easier to lay out and it stays in place much better. So other than the wind blowing it and me staking it down, I had no problems with it just laying exactly where I wanted it to. So if you're looking for a really nice heavy duty weed barrier that will keep weeds under control yet let the rain go through, this stuff by GRASSCLUB is super, super nice. And that's my point of view.